During the day, you're looking at the sunlight being brought in, and then during the night, you're looking at the wondrous sky and the stars, etc. It's a 1930s house, and we took the decision that we were going to redevelop the back of the house because the space wasn't working, and light was really important to make an area spacious, spacey and airy. What we wanted to accomplish by adding a roof light was the ability to bring in a huge amount of natural light. So we made a bold move to go very large, 3 metres by 1 metres. And if I'm honest, during the summer I can't see us using any light other than the borrowed light from the VELUX. The builder recommended VELUX because it's a really good brand and good customer support. And then looking at VELUX and specifically Vario, where you can design exactly the size of window you want. When it got craned in, it was very, very simple. Once the frame's installed, it was less than a morning's work, which is brilliant. The first time it opened up was a great feeling. And then closing the blind and then waiting for it to rain and watching the window close automatically. These are all little things, but these are all the little things that actually make the product stand out from your normal, just standard roof light.
It can do so much more than just be a feature. It has a lot of practicability, like giving ambience for movies and letting more natural light in rather than artificial light, and generally just makes the space feel more homey and more lived in.
Since we've installed the VELUX and had the extension done, we've used this area a lot more because the light and the atmosphere it creates means it's a really nice place to be. So it's all round, it does so much more than a normal window would do.